Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. There's some helpful information. I made a video, here it is, 1/23 of 23, Monday morning, about 9:20. So, here for an example, we have us a super rare Mopar 222-6821. If you'll notice that it looks absolutely beautiful. Well, this master cylinder didn't used to look like this. It looked like that piece of shit that you got on your car sitting out in the backyard with the hood off for 25 years. We ain't talking about the one in the garage. So, this is that super rare master cylinder with the engine side ports, as versus our Hemi, which had fender well ports. So 440, 383 cars and yada yada yada. There you go. Now, you can tell this thing's been exquisitely cleaned up. Everything's been machined, including the lid again, so that it's sealed. It has a beautiful brass sleeve installed, like this one. And, of course, everything's been all cleaned up, lubed, all the pistons. I'll give you an idea of what we do, what Uncle Joe does right here on the fly. We'll just there's the original assembly with the true Bendix cups. This is the true Bendix cups, so that they fit right. See that beautiful machine work? So, 350 bucks is not a whole lot, is it? Well, she don't want to come out. She's stuck in there. But I guarantee you, she looks just like that one. This is first class operation. So, God bless you. God bless America. If you need your master cylinder redone, whether it's a Mopar, super expensive Corvette, or a super expensive Shelby, we got you covered. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.